Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a granny rectangle. And you can start your rectangle any size by making a longer foundation chain. So let's get started. Start with a slip knot. And work a foundation chain in any number in multiples of 3. Like that, and I started with chain 15. 1, 2, 3. Make 2 double crochet in the 3rd stitch from the hook. 1 and 2. Chain 1. In that same stitch, make 3 more double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1. Make 3 more double crochet in that same stitch. 1, 2, and 3. So that's one end, and your corners will be here. Skip the next 2 stitches. In the next stitch, make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Skip the next 2 stitches. In the next stitch, make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. And you're going to repeat 1, 2, in the next stitch, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. And that's what that looks like. Now we've reached the other end, and we're going to do the same thing as here. So we're going to skip those 2 stitches, and in here we're going to make 3 clusters of 3 double crochet. So 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1. In that same stitch, make 3 more double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. So we have 3 clusters of 3 double crochet in that end stitch, and in this end stitch we also have 3 clusters of 3 double crochet. And now I'm going to repeat down this row, skipping 2 stitches and making 3 double crochet in the next, and they'll be lined up with these. So skip 2, make 3 double crochet in the same stitch as the 3 double crochet on the opposite side. And skip those 2, 3 double crochet. And 3 double crochet in this last stitch. At the end of the row, find that first chain 2 and slip stitch to join. And that's what that looks like. You have your 3 clusters and your 3 clusters. And these are your corner stitches right here. So you have your corner here and your corner here with one cluster in between, and at the other end the same thing, one corner here and one corner here, and fasten off. And I've marked my 4 corners to make it easier for you to see. I'm going to attach my new yarn in the space between these 3 double crochets. So I'll pull that new color in, and I'm going to lock it in with 1 stitch, and that'll take the place of 1 chain, so chain 1 more, and that's the equivalent of chain 2. I'm going to make 2 more double crochet in this space. And now the next stitch we're going to work into is a corner. And when we're working a corner, we're going to work 2 clusters of 3 double crochet. So 3 double crochet, and then chain 1 and 3 more double crochet in that same corner stitch. And that forms a corner. 3 double crochet, chain 1 and 3 double crochet. Now we're going to work in the next corner, and we're going to do another corner, which is 3 double crochet, chain 1 and 3 more double crochet. Okay, so now these are our corners, and I'll place these markers in again just for you to be able to keep track of the corners. And now I'm going to make 3 double crochet in each of these spaces between my clusters. So 3 double crochet here and here and here and here, and then we'll make 2 corners when we get here. So 3 double crochet, okay, so 3, 3, and 3. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll come back and show you again how to do the other corner. Okay, I've worked all my 3 double crochet in between the 3 double crochet of the previous row, and now I'm back at my corner. I'm going to work a corner in this chain 1 space. So that's 3 double crochet, chain 1, and 3 more double crochet. Okay, now I'm going to work my other corner right here. So 3 double crochet, chain 1, and 3 more double crochet. Like that. Now you have 2 new corners. And now working back down this side, I'm going to make 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet. Okay, I've gone ahead and done that, and now I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. So find the chain 2 and slip stitch to join and fasten off. Like that. And there's my fasten off stitch. I'm going to bring in a new color, pull it in, lock it in, and chain 1, and make 2 more double crochet in that same space. Now find the next space between the 3 double crochet clusters and make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. And now we'll be working a corner. There's my chain 1 space. I'm going to make 2 clusters of 3 double crochet. 1, chain 1, and then 3 more double crochet. Like that, and then that becomes my new corner. Now there's my other corner, and I have a 3 double crochet cluster in between, so I'm going to make 3 double crochet in this space. Now I'm going to work my next corner. In that chain 1 space, I'm going to make a corner of 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. And there's my 2 new corners. Now I'm going to go ahead and make 3 double crochet in each space between these clusters, and then I'll make a corner here and 3 double crochet here and a corner, and then 3 double crochet in each of those spaces, and then I'll slip stitch to join here. And I'm going to go ahead off camera and do that, and I'll come back and show you. And I've gone ahead and I finished that row, and I slip stitch to join here, and I fastened off. And now every following row will be exactly the same. You're going to work a corner in each of the corners, and you're going to work 3 double crochets in each of the spaces between the 3 double crochets of the previous row. A corner and a corner. And it's not necessary to mark your corners, but if it helps you, you can go ahead and place a marker at each corner. And that's it. That's all you need to know to be able to crochet a granny rectangle. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.